Now, stung by the Congress's back-to-back defeats in Haryana and Maharashtra, Congress Party President Mallikarjun Kharge said that as we get you the details that are now coming in from the Samajwadi Party side, of course, we'll discuss on when it comes to this panel is concerned, which has been stopped from reaching Sambhal as they have been stopped by the police now. But the opposition, according to them, has turned a blind eye, according to the BJP, on the ground situation, which they believe has been mandated in a way to protect law and order. Adib is with us right now. Adib, latest information coming in from the Delhi-Ghaziabad border where Samajwadi Party leaders are being stopped by the police. Hello?
Well, definitely, Amita, see, not just in Lucknow, but in entire Uttar Pradesh, police has stepped up the security, and from wherever it is expected that the Samajwadi Party leaders will be coming, police is trying to stop them. This is the scene outside the residence of Samajwadi Party senior leader Mata Prasad Pandey. You can see multiple police personnel, they have been deployed over here just to stop Mata Prasad Pandey. In fact, he tried 2 to 3 times to step out of his residence. He even sat in his car. He was trying to head towards the party office, but the police team over here, they urged that he should not step out of his house. And similar situation is being seen in multiple cities, whether it be Bareilly, Moradabad, or on the Delhi-Ghaziabad border, where the Samajwadi Party delegation members are being stopped right now by the administration. The administration is citing that the Sambhal administration has said that it's the outsiders will not be permitted within Sambhal till the 10th of December, as they are trying to bring back the normalcy and maintain law and order. And it's not good on their part that they should be visiting Sambhal at this time. So the Sambhal administration, they have banned the entry of outsiders till 10th of December. And Samajwadi Party delegation, which includes Ziaur Rahman Barq also, who has been named in the FIR by the Sambhal police, is also the part of the delegation. And they all are trying to move towards Sambhal. But the Uttar Pradesh police, they are saying that
attempts that have been made by the leaders of the Samajwadi Party to reach Sambhal, that is, however, being stopped and prevented on part of the police there. And even as the border areas we are looking at where attempts that are being made, they have now been, as far as this delegation is concerned, they have been stopped by the police. We'll listen into the reactions that have been coming in, because the Samajwadi Party has been blaming the BJP-run government over the failures to maintain law and order, saying that the people, they want to reach out to the people who have been affected because of the violence that happened last week. But however, as we have been reporting, Adib, from Sambhal as well, where Pradeep Datta currently is, he says that there is no much movement there because the entire area continues to remain fortified. Adi?
Well, definitely, yes, see, if we talk about Sambhal, Sambhal has been fortified from all directions, and the Sambhal borders, all the borders leading towards Sambhal, heavy police deployment is at those borders, whether it be Moradabad, the adjoining districts of Amroha, or even the Hapur, which from where it is being expected that the people can come from Hapur district also. So multiple police layer protections have been placed in all the districts, especially on the borders of Sambhal, to prevent outsiders, especially the delegation of Samajwadi Party. Samajwadi Party already announced that their delegation, 15 members delegation, will be visiting. Earlier they were planning to move to Sambhal right after the incident, but the
Uttar Pradesh part of the delegation is Samajwadi Party MP Ziaur Rahman Barq, who is now been stopped by the police. Let's listen into what he has to say.
जी, आप घर से निकले संभल के लिए, लेकिन आपको यूपी में एंटर करते ही रोक लिया गया।
अफसोस है, हमें ऐसी उम्मीद नहीं थी कि इस प्रकार से हमें रोका जाएगा, क्योंकि 3 दिन पहले जब हमारा डेलीगेशन जा रहा था, जिसमें मैं भी शामिल था, तो उस वक्त डीजीपी यूपी की तरफ से ये कहा गया था कि अभी 3 दिन के लिए रोक लगा रहे हैं, इसलिए 3 दिन के बाद में जाएं, नहीं तो हमें माहौल खराब होने की आशंका है। जबकि ऐसा कोई आशंका का कोई मतलब नहीं बनता था, लेकिन उसके बावजूद हमने बात मानते हुए 3 दिन रुके, और आज माननीय राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष अखिलेश यादव जी के निर्देश पर डेलीगेशन हमारा जा रहा था, और जिस तरह से गलत तरीके से ये रोका गया है, मैं इसकी निंदा करता हूं। हमारी मांग है, अगर जनता के साथ अगर अत्याचार होगा, जुल्म होगा, ज्यादती होगी, हत्या होगी, तो उसका उजागर कौन करेगा, उनकी मदद कौन करेगा? अगर पुलिस प्रशासन और शासन उनके खिलाफ खड़ा होगा, तो विपक्ष की जिम्मेदारी बनती है कि हम लोग आकर करके उनकी मदद करें। हमारा मकसद ये था कि हम जाके उनके दुख दर्द के अंदर शरीक हो सकें, और जिस प्रकार घटना को अंजाम दिया गया है, उस पर सारी उसकी रिपोर्ट लेकर के माननीय अध्यक्ष अखिलेश यादव जी को सौंप सकें। लेकिन हमें बड़ा अफसोस है कि इस टाइप की ये सरकार अब पुलिस प्रशासन की करतूतों पर पर्दा डालने के लिए इस टाइप की ये इलीगल काम कर रही है।
यहाँ पुलिस प्रशासन ने आपसे क्या कहा, मतलब रोकते हुए?
रोकने क्या, आप देख रहे हैं, सब आपके सामने है। कोई जवाब दें, क्यों रोक रहे हैं, क्या मतलब बनता है हमें जाने से? हम वहाँ पे अपने लोगों के दुख दर्द में शरीक होना चाहते हैं। हम सही रिपोर्ट लेना चाहते हैं कि जो लोग इसके अंदर इन्वॉल्व हैं, जिन्होंने वहाँ पर माहौल को खराब करा है, जो पुलिस प्रशासन के अधिकारी इसके जिम्मेदार हैं, उसकी एक पूरी रिपोर्ट बना करके माननीय राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष अखिलेश यादव जी को सौंपना चाहते हैं, जिससे कि आगे की हम कार्रवाई कर सकें।
प्रशासन कह रहा है कि आप